Hi everyone, I am Preetham Naikabi of Civil Department. Table of content. Explanation of Newmark's influence chart and construction and applications. What is Newmark's influence chart? Newmark's influence chart is an illustration used to determine the vertical pressure at any point below a uniformly loaded flexible area of soil of any shape. This method looks like others was derived by integration of Bosanque's equation of point load. Explanation: Newmark's chart is a graphical representation of Bosanque's theory. Newmark developed a graphical procedure of determining the vertical stress below the uniformly loaded area. The chart developed by Newmark is also called as an influence chart, based on the Bosanque's equation, which expresses a vertical stress underneath the center of circular area loaded with uniformly distributed load. Newmark developed the influence chart to compute the vertical stress due to the loaded area of any shape, irregular or geometric below any point neither outside or inside the loaded area. Write the Bosanque's equation to find the vertical stress at point O directly below the center of loaded area and depth Z as follows. Here, Q is the surface contact pressure and R refers to the radius of the area. Construction: Newmark's influence chart is constructed by constructing a concentric circle. The circles are equally drawn by radial lines which are equally spaced. The radius of the circle is R by Z values. This method is used to compute the vertical and horizontal stress of any shape, irregular, geometrical below any point outside or inside. The charts are shown in the above figure essentially consist of n number of radial lines and m number of concentric circles. To find out the vertical stress at any point below or outside the loaded area, plan of the loaded area is drawn such that the depth z at which stress is being computed equals the length AB as shown on this Newmark's method. So this is the diagram. Further, the plan is placed over influence chart such the point below the which the stress is required coincides with the center of charge chart. Then count the number of influence area covered by the plan. Newmark's influence chart is used to determine the vertical pressure underside of uniformly loaded flexible areas of any shape of cell. This method is derived from the Bosanque's equation for point load by integration. Applications: Z is the depth below or to uniformly loaded area where increasing stress is obtained. Today, call strength of chart B, plot where the top view or plan for the loaded area of the corresponding scale. Newmark's influence chart plays over the point where the stress is determined by locating the center of the chart. Count the number of elements and the portion of the chart enclosed by the plan of the loaded area. Newmark's influence chart is an illustration used to determine the vertical pressure at any point below a uniformly loaded flexible area of soil of any shape. This method, like others, was derived by integration of Bosanque's equation for a point load. Thank you.